Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hacking Guru. Today I am here with this dress. This is my sister's dress. It's really big and I'm going to be using it for my project. I plan on making a little like mini skirt set. I am definitely keeping the sleeves. I love this kind of houndstooth looking material. This part is chiffon and this part is a stretchy, I don't know what I will call it, but the fabric is really good and strong, so that's what I'm going to be using to make myself a little festival outfit, like something cute, something a little cunty. So anyway, if you're getting into fashion and you want to try different types of styles, try different types of patterns, the best thing for you to do is get old clothes. Even if you're gonna just thrift them at a thrift store and pay for cheap, then recreate them into something else. Old bed sheets, old curtains, that's all you need. Right now it's around 1 p.m. Kenyan time. Let's see how long this takes me. See you at the table. You know, I had to show you guys what it looks like on. It's really long. The sleeve is perfect for the style I am planning on having. I'm first going to measure the length. The length of my skirt is going to be about 14 to 15 inches. Let's make it 15 inches. Then I'm going to measure my waist to hip measurement, about 7.5 inches. So here I'm going to measure my quarter hip measurement is 9.5. 9.5. Then here at the bottom I'm going to remove half an inch. So I'm going to measure 9 inches at the bottom. At the waist, my waist is 31 divided by 4, 7.75. I'm not going to be adding seam allowance because the fabric is stretchy, so it doesn't really matter. Just like that, we have our skirt. Remember, the fabric is on fold, the dress is on fold, so I'm going to get two pieces, the top and the bottom, in one go. I don't know if you guys can hear the kids outside. It's holiday time here in Kenya, so my apartment building has a lot of kids. We have our skirt, just like that. This is the part we have left of the dress. I really like this houndstooth situation happening here. So for the top, I'm thinking I want to keep the size of the sleeve, but first I'm going to take the sleeve off. I need to take the sleeve off, then I can use this part to create my top. I will be having a video out every week, hopefully more than one a week, because I really want this to be my obsession again, like it used to when I was back in university taking fashion design. Even in high school, before I started making clothes, all I'd think about was clothes, and I love that so much for me. It's such a joy to know you have a hobby that you like, that every time you're doing it, your mind completely shuts down. You get into this parasympathetic state, of just like flow state, and I really love that. I've been working on feeling more joy, more content with life, feeling more capable in myself. I took the sleeves off. Here are the sleeves. I love me some black and white anything. My shoulder to under bust measurement is around 12 inches. So this is going to be our starting line. We are going to ignore this part. My shoulder to bust measurement is 8.5. Then my shoulder to the top, where the top is going to begin, I'm gonna mark that at 5 inches. 5 inches. 5 inches. So this line we made is a makeshift shoulder line. Let me write that S. This is our bust line. This is our chest. It doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. And this would have been our neck. Yeah. I hope you can see the vision. And this is where our armhole would have gone. Okay. My bust measurement is almost the same as my waist measurement. So 32 divided by 4 is 8 inches, but I want it to be a bit gathered, so I'm going to get all the way to 10 inches. And this is the bottom of the top. So all I'm going to do is come and place my sleeve. Place my sleeve here at the 10-inch mark. Something like that. From the middle, like here at the chest. And mark our new armhole. This is the only part we are going to be using. So now we have our top. That's it. And for the front piece, the front is open. So I'm just going to flip this and cut it open. Don't cut through the back. I'll also cut on the sides. So the back is straight. I'm going to, the 2 inches I added to the front, I'm going to remove them here in the center because the back is straight, but the front is gathered. Right, so these are the front pieces. This is where the sleeve is going to come in. This is where the sleeve is going to come in, and this is where the sleeve is going to come in. Then I'm going to fold here at the bottom and the side, and I will add a drawstring so that I can gather the fabric at the front. For the back piece, this is what it looks like. First, I'm going to take out the 2 inches out here. So this is the back. The back is going to be smaller than the front because it's not gathered. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the sewing machine. So this is the top I made from the dress. I really like it, and this is the skirt. I absolutely love it. It's so comfy. Like, I see myself wearing this out, you know. I need a pair of boots. But you see how I use the sleeves. Made these are 2 parts. So this opens and closes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know if you create something like this or if it inspires you. Let me know what you'd like me to upcycle next in the comment section below. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Love you guys.